Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Media here. So my client asked about a service providing form for his website that I'm working on, and I built him this form. As you can see, let me translate it. So as you can see here, it's a form with conditions. So when you want something like number of frames, you set 4 and select quantity. You can add more here. When you select the quantity, we got another field here appears, and you can select more than 4. Okay. And if you want the colors in your rims, you can select this and you choose the colors that you want and the number of the colors. And when we check this, you see here these fields appears. So this is the conditional logics, and I tried to build this in Bricks, but Bricks has limitations. So this is the form from Forminator. This is the best and the most possible free way to do this stuff on form. You can use it in other fields like providing services or like providing course or educations or complex forms, fields, and conditions for your site. So yeah, we are going to build this, and we are going to put it in Bricks, so it's have integration with the Bricks. So let's start building. So first we need to, I already installed the plugin, but you can go here to plugins and add a plugin, and we are going to go for, and this is the form that I used. You can install it from here and activate it, and you will see this dashboard. And so if you want to add the form, first form, you can go to here, add a new, go to the blank, and we're going to create a blank form. Got reference here, so I can get all the texts. So firstly, we're going to build the form, then we're going to put the conditions, then we're going to style it. So firstly, you can add form from here or from here. So we insert and we add radio field, and let's name it. Just going to copy and paste it. So service type, and the service type will be pickup and delivery from here. Here's the select radios, and here's the label name. So can add more here. We just need 2, and let me just show you. You can preview it from here. So let's preview, and you can see it's got vertical. So let's make it horizontal. So go to the style settings, sorry, and layout, and make it horizontal from here. Let's check, see, nice and clean. Let's add another radio. do the same here. Let's name it. Let's name this RAM status, and the options will be used RAMs and new RAMs. And let's make it horizontal. And we are going to add another two radio fields. So this would be the RAM size, and RAM size will be 17, and this will be 18. Another field, 18, okay, 20, 21, 20, 22. Okay, make it horizontal. G. Okay. So we got the number, we got the rim size. Let's do the number. So we select another radio and number of rims. Number of rims will be 1, 2, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and going to make it horizontal. Let's check. Okay, looks nice right now. So after this, we're going to add another field, but will be a select field. Be a select field. So we go to select here and insert field, and check. Okay, you can do multiple or single. Going just to make it single here. So number of frames again. Field will be number of frames. Label, sorry. And we're going just to put the numbers here. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the idea here, so we'll make it 10, and you can make it random here, but let's see. Okay. So the service type, the RAM status, and the RAM size, and number of RAMs. Okay, great. Now we're going to add a check checkbox fields. So what to do? Okay. Grab these real fast here. Color check. this one will be, let's make it other option, so it give us a open field, like we can, the customer or the user can type on it, so can do this other option. As you can see here, if you check this, see here, give us other option, but we can select other. Okay, so far so good. So here's the colors. This will be check field, and these will be radio fields. So we're going to add another checkbox field, and it will be like this, and it will be one check. Okay, let's check it. Okay, great. And let us add these two radio fields. Radio will be select number of colors, and the colors will be one color, two colors. Sorry, colors, and three or more. Okay, let's make it horizontal, and this is the colors. So the colors here, to make it look like this, not the usual radio here, just text. So we're going to make it different. So we're going to add a radio, and the label will be, okay, select math, wall math. So here we're going to use an HTML tags with classes on it, so we can later we can style it. So we'll begin with a span, and let's name it something. Let's just make color switch. This will be the wrapper class. PG. Make this black. And adding span here. Okay. And we're going to add another span for the text of this radio field. So span, give it a class of, let's name it text color, and it will be black. Okay, black. Okay. This is right. So we can add another one here. Do the same to the other colors. So let's make it here. Let's check the, okay, white. text will be white, and we'll do another one. Brown, and will be brown. Okay. And okay, let's make another color. Just going to do it randomly here. So silver color will be text color be silver. Let me capitalize this one. Brown. Okay. Going to add another one here. Will be gray. Gray. And text will be gray. Okay. Let's do gold. And the class will be BG gold. Let's make two more. One will be blue. Blue. And this one will be red. Red. Let's check. Okay. Okay. And we're going to add other option. So in the custom here, so it will be custom, and the background will be PG custom. Okay, let us check it here. See, okay, the colors are appearing. Just need to capitalize this one, but everything's working. Okay. And make it horizontal. I'm going slow so you can get uh, get the idea and learn here. So hope everything is clear. So we did the colors. Now let's add the name here. Let's make it first name and last name. Phone number field, and you can make it international here to lock the. Let's make it. Where is Norway? Okay. Let's check it. Okay. Everything looks great. And let's add the email. And let's make it. Make sure the user. I want to confirm. There you go. Don't want this. Okay. And this is the upload images or the attachment. So let's choose the where it is, this one, file upload field, and you can make it multiple or single. You can change the make it specific for specific formats. You can make it unlimited files, or you can adjust it like 3 files here. Okay, let us grab the, okay, and lastly we're going to add the comments, or so we're going to use the exterior here. Will be other relevant information. Okay, great. So here's the form. As you can see, we built it really easy. So right now we're going to put our conditions. So we want to hide this field. Okay, we forget about this one for select quantity here. We want to hide this, and we want to hide these, the colors. So let me here add another option, select quantity. And when you want to hide a field in the form, so you go to the field that you want to hide and press this one and edit, and go to visibility here and go down, add rule, and you can select here the field that, when you, the field that will be responsible for showing this field. So going to choose this one, the number of frames, radio 4, and we're going to select the option that will trigger and make this field appear. So select quantity, make it done. Let us check it. And you, as you can see, this appears from here, but when you go to select quantity, it appears. When you go here for free, it doesn't show up. So we're going to do the same to these. So we go here for these radio fields, do the same edit field, visibility, and going to choose the field that will be responsible to showing these fields. So it's this checkbox, and we're going to select not this one, this one, and we're going to select this one, and we'll do the same to this. What it is. Okay. Done. Apply. Let us see what we did, and everything's working. Okay. If you want color, you can choose color, and these fields appears. Great. This is for building the form. Right now we're going to style it real quick, and we're going to put it in bricks. So if you want to style it, you can go to appearance here, and let us style it real quick. So you can see here you've got braces. So here flat or bold, like bold here. And the colors, so the background will be something like, see, it's a bit dark, this one. Okay, this looks great. There's a bunch of stuff here you can style. It's really great form build plugin, but we will go through it really quick. Everything is clear here. Doesn't want to So let's field basics here. Response success. Basics or labels. We're going to make it white. And let's go to input exterior. Just going to leave it as it is. Yeah, region check, border, background, text color will be white. Okay. Text color, let's make it white here, not this. Okay, so select will be, here's the select. Let's make it show up where it is, this one. Background, let's make it white. Sorry, this is the border, so let's make this one white. Leave the border gray. Okay. Color, you can change the hover here. Make it something like this red, and the icon will change. You can change the icon also. Focus. And the icon color here. Okay. See? You can see you can change. You can change pretty much anything in here. But I just want to make it clear here. So drop list, down list, file, upload. You can change the background. Make it something like this. White. You can do pretty much anything here. These for the upload here. And background color. I want to make it white. So I guess for the colors right now, it's great. You can go to the ring here and make it red. You can see here changed. Sorry, here. There you go. So let's style the font, change the size of the font real quick here for the labels. Let's make it a bit bigger than the normal text. Other than that, I guess we'll leave everything the same. Just change the submission button. Okay. And we can change here also change the bold here, make it real bold. Okay. So going to add radio. So this is for the layout. So let us give it a bit of padding here. Okay, great. And I guess this is all right. Can make it compact, comfortable. Can give a radius here. So okay, you get the idea here. So let us style these, and you get the idea, and you can use it in other similar circumstances in fields. So let's go to the custom CSS and enable custom CSS. So let us style it really quick. Color. If you remember, we did give the wrapper here class, and we give each color here a class. So color switch will be display. Okay. Give it width of 45 pixels and height 45 pixel. Okay, and border radius 4 pixels. Okay, let me just see here to test it. Just make the okay. Let me just PG black and background black. Okay, and let us enter text and give it a bit of margin so it looks cleaner. So text color and will be margin top of 5 pixel. Okay, and text line center. Okay, you can see here I did the classes that give it to each color, and I give it a background color of black, and it's got the color here. So we're going to do the same the rest of them. So PG white will be color white. It's supposed to appear here, but okay, it appears. PG brown background color brown. Okay, to the silver. And just copy it, and but for educational purpose we're going to do every color by typing. So background color be gray. Background color gray. Okay. PG gold background color gold. Can make it looks better than this, I would show you how, like, we give it background gradient. But let us just put our colors here: blue, background color, blue, G, red, background color, red. Okay. So, EG, sorry. Okay. We'll show you how to this custom need a background. So I'm going to grab it from here where it is. Custom. Going to grab it from here. See, got all the colors here. So okay, we style almost every field here and the form. And yeah, let's publish it. Okay, you can copy the way that this form integrates with the bricks and work with the bricks. So we're going to copy this, okay? And let me check here if there is something we need to do. Okay, you get the idea here. So we go to the pages here. Go to the, let's add a new one. Name it form. Let's edit it. Yeah. Name it from. Whatever, you get the idea here. So going to give it a padding real quick here. Like this one. Okay. And you're going to go to bricks and add short code elements. And just enter this and go to the short code element, and we paste the code we take from the Forminator form. So save it to, okay, you see here the form appears in bricks. Got the conditions, and if you want the colors, let's check this. You see here we can add the colors here, and the form looks really good. You can also do the, let me go back, Forminator, to the form that we did right now. Plus edit, okay. You can add separator HTML. So we go to select HTML, codes, and add HR. Tags, okay. See if you can see. Just remove the label here, and we can separate every field, so we can group it, so you can duplicate it from here. Let us check, okay, and okay, and add it to here, okay. Can add another one here for the colors and another one right here. So let us see. Okay, this is more cleaner right now. Looks really good. Let's publish it. And when you publish it or do any changes in Forminator, you can go to Bricks and just refresh it, and you can see the changes here. We can add a more CSS here in Bricks. As you can see, let us grab this button to make it full. So the button class here, we can go to CSS, custom CSS in Bricks. Let me just, and we can go and make the width 100%. See? Just the button, okay. Let us just choose it. Let me just, yep. As you can see, you can add more CSS. Just grab the class and add more CSS here. And you, if you want to style specific field or options in the form, you can do the same we did here with these options for the colors. And this is it, guys. I hope you learned something new here, and I hope you like this video. You can do these conditions or add more complexity on this form for other projects. If you have other projects, you can make it more complex, but this is what my client asked for me, and I did it with Forminator, and I really like it. Give you more freedom and more stuff you can play with. So this is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned something new, as usual, you can like and subscribe for this channel, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.